Today I'm going to be showing you a very easy way to make ice cream at home, and I'm going to be showing you how to make mango ice cream. Yes, mango ice cream. So I'm using very fresh mango, as you can see. I'm going to blend my mango until smooth so that we can incorporate in our ice cream. So this is the flavor I like the most because I love mangoes. So let's blend. So you're going to add your mangoes in a blender. Then I'm going to add a little bit of water. We need some water to help us blend our mango. Cover this and blend until smooth. So my mango paste is ready, and I've not added any sugar because my mango was very sweet. It was so sweet. So if you find it that your mango is not sweet or it's bitter, you can add about a tablespoon of sugar. Don't add more because condensed milk usually has sugar in it. So I'm going to keep this aside. Then into my bowl, I'm going to add 2 cups of whipping cream. I'm going to whip up my whipping cream until it has stiff peaks. And remember always to use refrigerated whipping cream because it will be easier for you while whipping. So I'm going to whip up my whipping cream using my hand mixer. If you don't have this, you can use a whisk, but trust me, it's going to be hectic because you have to whip up this until it forms stiff peaks. So this is easier. My whipping cream is ready. As you can see, it has stiff peaks. So to this, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of condensed milk. Then I'm going to also add my mango paste because, as we have said, it is going to be mango flavored. So about my condensed milk, it's homemade and it's so nice. It is just like the supermarket one. So if you want to learn how to make condensed milk at home, you'll click in the description box down below, or you'll click on this card right here, and that will lead you to the video that I made my condensed milk. So don't skip that part because you need condensed milk to make ice cream. So this is how my whipping cream is looking. So to this, I'm going to add my condensed milk. That is 1.5 cups. Then I'm going to fold in our condensed milk so that it can get incorporated into the ice cream. When mixing for the first time, I usually use my spatula because I don't want to splatter the mixture all around me while using the hand mixer. So I find it's easier because I don't want to mess up myself. So as you can see, this is 50% mixed. So I'm going to add my mango puree. And also mix again. My mango has that bright yellow color that brings out a very nice color to my ice cream. So now I'm going to use my hand mixer to finish off mixing my ice cream. My ice cream is ready to freeze and it's smelling so good and it's looking absolutely good, so I can't wait for it to freeze. I'm going to add this in my tin. Now it's pale yellow color, but it's looking so good. Wow. You make sure you clean your bowl using your silicone spatula because they're so good and so handy in the kitchen. You don't want to waste all of this yumminess. Yeah? Then afterwards, you make sure to lick the bowl up. Delicious. I'm ready to pop my ice cream in the freezer. So make sure to use an airtight container for your ice cream because you don't want your ice cream to crystallize. And also, if you don't have any container with a lid, you can use a cling film and tightly roll it up throughout the container so that it won't crystallize. So you can also freeze it for about 6 to 7 hours in freezer. It's not a must to freeze it overnight, but mine, I'm going to be freezing it overnight because I want a very icy I want a very nice ice cream. So catch you tomorrow. It's actually been 2 days after I made my mango ice cream and I'm super excited because the first thing, I didn't get tempted to eat our mango ice cream because I wanted to show you how good it is. So today I'm going to be showing you how nice my mango ice cream is looking. As you can see, it is so good, so smooth, and I'm ready to indulge in this good stuff. So I'm going to scoop out my ice cream. So I'm also going to garnish my mango ice cream with a mint leaf. So thank you guys so much for watching until the end of the video, and thank you for the support you've been showing to this channel. And also subscribe, like, share with a friend, and don't forget to click the notification bell. So catch you on my next one. Ciao.